Hey, good morning. Tony LaPorta here with NakedTrader.com. Okay, I sit here this morning. I wrote in my weekend commentary. There's probably one market and only one, or shall we say, sector that I'm really keen on this morning. I'm really keen on this week, and we caught a good move, a good bear move in it, November and December of last year, and that's the Treasuries. And I just see with everything piling up this week. I'm looking at, we have auctions at the end of the week. And what I'm really looking at is, with what's going on in Europe at the moment and the big move lower that we've seen in the indices this morning. Why are the bonds up 2 ticks and the notes up 2 ticks? These markets caught a very, very good bid at the end of last week. I wrote that the bonds and the notes are both 2.5 points off their lows of the move. Well, that was at the Friday highs. They were 2.5 points off the lows of the move. So I've always been in the camp that at the moment the trend, I do believe anyhow, the trend is our friend, and the trend is lower. The trend is for higher interest rates, and when the bonds rally 2.5 points, you let them have a few. So that's where I am this morning in this sector. That's where I am this week. That's where I am this year. I want to be short the Treasuries, and we had a lot of fun selling them last year at the end of the year, and I believe the fun's only begun, actually. I don't know how many readers out there, remember the bond market of the 70s, but the bonds, had a 50 handle. I think they traded to a low of, like, when Volcker was doing his thing, a low of like 56 or 58. And I know there was a huge head and shoulders bottom formation with a neckline at like 80. And the objective was like 102. And I was working in London at that time telling people, oh, these bonds are going to 102. And they thought, wow, what is this guy smoking? But anyhow, with bond markets now trading 120, I feel they're rich with everything that's going on, with deficits soaring, and Obama continuing to write checks. You have to sell these treasuries. So that's where I am this morning, and that's where I'm staying. This is Tony LaPorta with NakedTrader.com signing off. Cheers. Good luck today.